With the latest version of StealthINTERCEPT Enterprise Password Enforcer, we've added a variety of new options. First, a credential provider, so that when a user is performing a password change, they can see all the password policies that are not just domain password policies, but also additional password policies you're enforcing because of Enterprise Password Enforcer. That way the user can type in the correct password and then test it against the system. More importantly, when the user performs a test, if it doesn't meet the organization's complexity policies, they'll get back the reasons or what the failures were for their password. So in this case, my password failed to meet the minimum password length requirement of at least 9 characters. Additionally, my password, Tinkle, is actually in a dictionary of passwords that are not allowed to be used, as well as this password happens to be on a publicly prohibited password database, which is the Have I Been Pwned password database. Now let's dive in and take a look at some of the settings on the back end. There are a variety of password rule options, but we're going to focus on two key elements on the back end. First will be that we provide a mechanism for you to test any password. That way, when you're setting up your policy, you can test to validate the policy is behaving as you would anticipate once it hits your end users. But more importantly, we've also added character substitution. So the way character substitution works is a user would type in a word like procrastination. However, when they type that in, they might substitute like the O for a zero or the A for an @ symbol. When we test this, we'll see that the policy just reverts it back down to its base word of procrastination, and the password would have failed if a user tried to do it with this character substitution. On the back end, this only requires two components. One will be a word list. So you can either provide your own or you can search the web for an English dictionary word list or a dictionary word list from a respective language. The next piece is what your character substitutions will be. Out of the box, we provide a wide variety of advanced character substitutions, and any administrator can take a particular character substitution they don't like and remove them out of our substitution or add in new substitutions based upon their user population.